Hey, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and I'm repairing some hail damage on the driver door of this 2016 Subaru Crosstrek. That side mirror on that door is actually obstructing my view of the top of that panel. So I'm going to go ahead and get the door panel removed and able to get that side mirror removed. And you can see there we got two Phillip head screws that need to be removed, and the only thing holding the door panel onto the door are clips. So I use this plastic pry tool to pry the door panel out toward me. That'll release the clips, and then I lift the door upward like that. And then we got some wire connections that need to be disconnected. I found it easier to unscrew the window control panel there in order to disconnect the wiring. And then I end up just reinstalling the window connection. It's not an issue to connect the wiring when that is installed already. And I pull the plastic back, and we got two 10mm bolts in there and one in there as well, so a total of 3 that are holding on to this side mirror. There's also the wire connection for that side mirror that runs to the middle of the door. I'll also end up disconnecting that in order to get that side mirror off the door. And here it is, pulling the side mirror just out towards myself, and then pulling that wire, making sure it's not getting caught in the door. And that's how I remove that side mirror. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Ultimate Dent, Twitter as well at Ultimate_Dent.